Okay, so now we're ready to make our first smoothie, and what we've chosen is the Fruit Combo Smoothie out of the Create cookbook that came with the Vitamix. So, and as they indicated in their getting started video, we want to follow the sequence of ingredients that we place into the blender just as they have them listed in the cookbook. So what we're going to put in here, we're going to put a whole orange in. We are doing this in place of the pineapple that was listed in that in the recipe, because we do not have pineapple on hand at the moment. We're not prepared for that in our rush to make our first recipe. This is what we're going to do in its place. So we'll put the whole orange in first. Then we have half a pear. Then an apple. I believe it's half an apple. Okay, then on top of all that, to help push it down into the blades, is going to be 1 cup of ice. Okay, so that's all the ingredients that we need. Make sure that I fasten the lid on securely. Okay, and use the smoothie. Well, first I'll turn it on. Use the preset for smoothies. Everything's ready to go. So we're going to hit start. Okay, yeah, so we're done. And again, I think our expectations were that this was going to be really loud when we ran it, but I'm very pleasantly surprised. It's really not that loud, even with the ice in there. So, okay, let's take the lid off here, and you can see it's nice and smooth.
Just like the video.
Yep, so we'll go ahead and pour it in. There. And second cup. Let's top off the other cup.